If you've just signed up for one of my signals services, this video is for you, or if you're thinking about becoming a subscriber. So firstly, I'm going to explain what I do, and then I'm going to explain what I don't know, what I can't do for you. I want you to fully understand how my service works. So I am primarily a trend follower. I identify low-risk trade opportunities at areas of confluence. So that would be strong support levels in a bull trend or strong resistance levels in a bear trend. I identify areas where we can enter a trade with a low risk, with a relatively tight stop compared to the target. As long as more than 50% of our trades work, we will make money. I believe that generally my hit rate, my success rate for winning trades is greater than 50%. But as long as we do make money on at least half of our trades and those trades hit the relevant targets, then over a period of time, we will make a profit. I also try and identify a sideways moving trend when it has been established. So I'll be looking for a pattern such as a triangle, a flag, any sort of consolidation pattern that will give me parameters for us to enter long positions at the support level and short positions at the resistance level. What I can't do is predict the direction of all the markets that I monitor, which can be 20 or 30 markets a day. I don't try to guess the direction of every single one of those markets. Sometimes I'm very good at projecting the direction when I see a trend or a pattern or a signal, but that isn't primarily what I do. In fact, any analyst who claims to be able to predict the direction of markets accurately is lying to you. It's simply not doable. Warren Buffett, George Soros, any famous hedge fund manager or investor is incapable of guessing the correct direction of the market day in, day out, week in, week out, month in, month out. It's impossible. If you are following my signals, I will give you the trade entry range. I usually have a 10 pip or sometimes 20 pip range. I believe in scaling in across a range because I don't know exactly where the market will reverse from. I don't know exactly what the low or the high for the day might be. So I give a range. If you want to try to scale in maybe across 2 or 3 separate orders within that range, hopefully you'll get at least a partial fill on the whole position. Even if you don't manage to get your full position on, then at least you won't have this feeling of FOMO where you're missing out and you're trying to jump into the market after it's bounced and you've not managed to get any of your position on. So that's just another little technique that I use to try and make sure I at least get a partial fill on my full position. You'll get a stop level, and this is absolutely crucial. You must enter a stop loss order. I give you where you should put that stop loss order. I give you targets to exit the trade either in stages. So, for example, you could exit a portion of your position at the first target, another portion at the second target. If you believe that the trades can go even further, then you can exit some more of the position at the third target. But if we hit the first and second targets, I think generally we are doing pretty well. I would suggest that you try to do as many of the trades as possible because I have no idea which trades will work and which will not work. I'm still to this day surprised at which trades actually do work and which trades hit the stop loss. All I'm trying to do is find levels where we can execute a trade with a tight stop loss and a reasonable target. And then if we can get 3 trades on per day, 2 win, 1 lose, we've had a great day and the strategy is working. You can see that the sheet is color coded. So the trades in yellow are new trades for the day. The trades in white are trades from yesterday. The trades in purple are the ones that have been executed and have hit at least one of the targets. The trades in green are those which have been executed and not yet reached the target, but also not hit the stop loss level. A column at the end gives the short-term trend that I will be primarily following. If it's a negative trend, I'll be trying to sell into a resistance level on any bounce. I may have a buy level. If the market has been trending down and is now hitting a major support level, I may also suggest a buy level in there. I hope that's helpful. Obviously, do message me if you've got any other questions.